So तुम्हारे like तीनों B schools में what is the average work experience of students who are going in the B schools? IIM में क्या होगा?
IIMs में it is basically like freshers average देंगे तो 2.5 years.
Okay,
Yeah.
but अगर कोई without work experience भी जाना चाहता है तो they can
They
get
can
into
get
IIM Ahmedabad.
freshers are also there in the batch. There are people who have 5 years work experience, 4 years work experience also coming in, but also IIMs offer courses for more experienced people as well. PGPX is one of those courses. So, but on an average up to 2.5 पकड़ लीजिए.
Okay, and कितने students हो गए एक batch में IIM Ahmedabad में?
So 90 per class, and there are almost like 5 sections, so 450.
450. And any idea out of these 450 how many would be freshers? मतलब कितने लोग freshers होंगे?
I need to, like, if my stats are correct, so almost 20 to 22% of the batch
Okay.
stands out to be
So
a
90
fresher.
people.
At least minimum 20 to 25% of the batch.
90 100 people would be like
Yeah.
freshers. Got it. ISB में क्या होगा वो number?
So I think ISB का range is from they don't take freshers first of all. They only take people with more than 2 years of work experience. So average work ex is 4.5 years at ISB. And but we also have a lot of courses like PGPX we have, but there's a specific course called MFAB, which is for family businesses. So people who want to move forward in family businesses, they also come to ISB. And yeah, I think.
And इसमें like कितने कितने लोग हो गए एक batch में?
So we are split into two campuses, Hyderabad and Mohali. Hyderabad campus has a strength of around 600 people, and Mohali mein roughly 300, so a batch size of 900. But now that's changing. ISB has changed their curriculum and their structure. So it's split into a 2-year MBA for people with less than 2 years of work ex, and MBA, which is a 1-year MBA. So like they are changing things.
तो अभी ISB का MBA 2 साल का हो जाएगा?
अब 2 साल का होगा for so it's called the Young Leaders PGP. So
Okay.
they'll have a 2-year MBA program.
Is this the YLP?
So no, so I was also a YLP in ISB.
YLP क्या है?
So that's called Young Leaders program, which is a way to get admitted to ISB. So हमारा interview process, application process अलग होता है, and then but after your selection, so essentially you get admitted into the same batch but through a different route. So like you give your GRE or GMAT, but you also get your admit 1 year before joining ISB. So then they give you a chance to defer अगर आपको लगता है कि I'll work for a year more, or maybe there's a pivot that I want to do, you do that and then you come to ISB. So that's a very good opportunity for people with less work ex. You already have an admit, but you also have that 1 year to explore in the corporate world or in your business maybe, and just see कि वहाँ जाके फिर क्या करना है. So
Right.
but now that's changed. So that was how I got admitted to ISB. Now that's a separate MBA program altogether for 2 years.
And when you both say PGP, that is also MBA only, right? मतलब PGP और MBA क्या?
Postgrad. So basically, that's a good question actually. Not all colleges can give an MBA degree.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So PGP is like your good way of saying कि MBA. So for example, A can, right? So I don't know about what their degrees are called, but that's a good thing. Like you should check what is the abbreviation or what is the credibility of that degree. Maybe in India, yes, out of India as well. Like क्योंकि always, like, I believe in keeping opportunities open. So check the credibility of your degree. Not all B schools give an MBA degree. They give you a postgraduate degree, right? Yeah.
But like primarily in India, a lot of colleges give you a PGP or a PGDM degree. Which
yeah.
is postgraduate program in management. Or postgraduate diploma in management. That is what the degree is called. Yeah.
So it is
On
different from an MBA degree.
Yeah. So I
It
think-
is called different.
Yeah,
like it's just
Okay.
so MBA के लिए you need some like affiliation with,
Yeah.
if I'm not wrong, and we should check. You need some affiliation with a couple of associations for the degree to be called MBA, and you also need that much of the age of the B school has to be that much, the professor quality has to be that
Okay.
way, your alum network has to be that way, this X number of, you know, you should do research papers, PhD students. ये सारा बहुत सारे reasons होता है जिसकी वजह से एक जो institute है वो तुम्हें वो एक degree दे सकता है. It's like your CA ना.
Yeah.
Yeah.
सो बट इसमें फिर जैसे बहुत सारे बी स्कूल्स जो है वो PGP या PGDM ये
Right.
डिग्रीज एडवर्टाइज करते हैं व्हेन दे
Yeah.
वांट टू इनवाइट एप्लीकेशंस.
Right.
सो बट पीपल व्हेन दे गो देयर वो तो यही बोलते हैं ना कि हम लोग MBA करने जा रहे हैं, लाइक दैट इज द कॉमन लैंग्वेज.
Yeah.
हाँ.
It's your
तो-
BMS BBA का logic.
Ah,
ठीक है?
कॉलेज भी
Got
खुद
it.
वही बोलता है, like
Yeah.
if you read the website of ISB or say IIMs also, they'll write that it's a 1-year MBA program or a 2-year MBA program.
But I was going through the website of ISB. In fact, so there are two things here. Degree IIM Ahmedabad दे सकता है, but I have heard that ISB certificate देता है, and they mention on the website also that this is a certificate, I think, and
So-
that is not a degree.
So
right?
no, so even I need to check, like my degree is called a PGP in management. Like,
Okay.
Yeah. It's not exactly. It's not an MBA. That's not what is written on my certificate or my degree. PGP ही लिखा होता है. I think that is what they are mentioning on the website. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
So MESA में कैसे होगा? Like how many students and work experience कितना होगा?
So the founding cohort, we were roughly like 63 students, and the work experience actually was on the higher side. It was 3 to 4 years roughly. Although mine was 2 years, but मेरे जो peers थे, they were at 3 to 4 years, and about like 10 to 15% was freshers. So freshers are entertained. It's just average was 3 to 4 years.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.